Dear students, we have studied the architecture of microprocessor 8086. We have studied about the addressing modes of 8086. Now we are going to discuss about 8086 instruction set. These instructions will help you during the programming of 8086. Now, after this instruction set, we will perform some programming problems and you can practice it in the lab. I hope you have downloaded the emulator 8086 and you have learned all the steps I have given to you in the emulator's tutorial. If do you have any problem, then you can contact. Now we will start the instruction set. As you know that instruction set can be classified into different groups on the basis of their operation. So important groups are data transfer instructions, arithmetic instructions, bit manipulation instructions, program execution, transfer instruction, string instructions, and processor control instructions. So first of all, let us see what is data transfer instruction. By the name it is clear that whenever data transfer occurs by the microprocessor, it uses data transfer instructions. So let us see what are data transfer instructions. So these instructions are used to transfer data from a source to destination, and the operands can be memory or byte or register or any port address or a memory location. So the first instruction is move DES comma SRC. DES means destination, SRC is the source. So for example is given below. Move CX comma 037AH. So this 037AH, H denotes the hexadecimal data, 03 is lower byte of the data, 7A is higher byte of the data, CX is the internal register in the 8086 microprocessor architecture. So what happens after execution of this move CX comma 037AH, that the CX register copies 037AH data. Now move AL comma BL. AL is 8-bit register of lower byte of AX register accumulator. BL is lower byte of BX register. So BL register contents will be copied to AL register. Next is the move BX comma 0301H. 0301H is the memory location where some data has been stored. That data is copied into BX register. Now the next data transfer instruction, this move instruction that we have seen is very common instruction, and immediate addressing, register addressing, direct addressing, any of these mode can be used by the move instruction. Next instruction is the push and pop. These two operations, push and pop operations, are related to the stack. Whenever we want to save some data, store some data onto the stack, we use push operation, and whenever the data is to be read out from the memory, stack memory, it is known as the pop operation. So push operation means push, the syntax of the instruction is push operand. It pushes the operand into top of the stack. Always the stack pointer points to the top of the stack, and the data is stored and retrieved in the LIFO manner, last in first out manner in the stack. So pop DES means pop destination. Whatever data is there at the stack pointer pointing to the location is popped out and stored in the specified destination or register or any memory location. The next instruction is XCHG. DES comma source. XCHG means exchange the data between destination and source. Source data will be moved to destination and destination data will be moved to source. Exchange DX comma AX is the example. It means the data of AX is copied to DX, and data of DX will be saved to AX, exchanged. Then next instruction is in instruction. This is used for the data reading from the port. It transfers the operand from the specified port to accumulator. So whenever microprocessor reads some data from the port, it uses in accumulator comma port address. For example, in AX comma 0028H. 0028H is the specified port address. Whatever data is at this port address will be copied to accumulator. Next instruction is the out instruction. It is similar to in instruction, only the direction of the data is reversed. That means whenever microprocessor wants to write some data to any input output device, it uses out instruction. Whatever data is into accumulator will be returned to the port address 0028H. Next instruction is the LEA register comma source. It load effective address. It loads a 16-bit register with the offset address of the data specified by the source. So LEA load effective address of किसका effective address? DI register contains the offset address. So offset address of DI register copied into BX register. LDS load 32-bit pointer from the memory destination register and DS. For example, LDS BX bracket 0301H. ब्रैकेट जब भी हमने लगाया मेमोरी लोकेशन में, it means this is the location where the data is contained. Next instruction is LES destination comma source data will be copied to destination effective address. Then similar instructions are LAHF, which copies lower byte of flag register to AH higher byte of the accumulator. SAHF, it copies the contents of higher byte of accumulator to the lower byte of flag register. रिवर्स ऑपरेशन ऑफ LAHF. LAHS में फ्लैग से डेटा कॉपी होगा एक्यूमुलेटर हायर बाइट में, एंड SAHF से accumulator contains higher byte accumulator contents will be copied to the higher byte of lower byte of flag register. Then push F pushes flags register to the top of the stack. Pop F pops the stack top to the flag register. These were the data transfer instructions. You should summarize these instructions and